Folks, Best RV got you the toy hauler with the garage and the one you could afford it. All these toy haulers with the garages, they're in the 80s and 90s and 100s, but not what is behind me. What is behind me is a brand new 2026 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 350PACK15. What do you mean by 350PACK15, Niall? It has a 15-foot garage. So we assure you, your four-seater is gonna fit. Height, width, no issue whatsoever. So if you have a four-seaters or two-seaters or a bunch of quad and dirt bike, no question asked, they will fit in this garage all day long. As you see, one of the major changes on 2026, they raised the height in the bedroom, so you have a full standing height in the bedroom. You have a full nice bed in the front, walk around with the storage underneath it, and a big closet. Coming down over here, they use what's called the view windows. These are called the view windows. Look how big these windows. They're views so you could see through them. Now, they use one full pass-through storage, as you see here. It's accessible from the front, from the driver's side, passenger side, all the sides is accessible. You have two propane tank. One on this side is a 20 gallons, 5 gallons, and the other side. Now, you have a two nice power awning. If you notice the power awning with the LED light on this unit, they're so big, they have to end up putting a center support because the awning is so big and it covers whole entire fifth wheel for you. So when you are sitting here outside, grilling and enjoying the cold drink or enjoying the ice with ice mixers and watching the big TV right here, you have a nice power awning over your head. So they give you, what I like about Cherokee Wolfpack 350, they give you everything. I tell the manufacturer the other day, they give everything the customer. The customer, I don't know what he needs more. They give you outside sprayer. They come with the hose, so you could rinse your hands, dogs, whatever you want. They give you a nice grill, nice fridge for beers, sodas, water, soda pop. They give you ice maker. So this is a full ice maker. You make ice and use it for your margaritas, your drinks, whatever. They give you even the TV bracket, so you could put a big TV here. There's the plug, here's the cable, and here's the 110. They give you two outdoor speakers, one here, one over there. Nice two power awning with LED light. Power stabilizer jack, and matter of fact, they give you 6 legs power stabilizer jack. The front is electric, the 2 legs in the front. There's a power stabilizer jack right over here, and let me extend this so you could see what I'm talking about. Right there. And then you have a set of electric stabilizer jack behind the axle, so they give you more stability. So the units sit on a 6 legs as well, 4 tires. So you have total 10 point touching the ground from this unit to give you more stability on that unit. I don't know what you need more than that. And then they have the nice reflecting windows. Notice I could see my reflection on my cameraman on the windows. They have also this glass door. And believe me, this is the same glass door they use on the big destinations. No issue. We sell the heck of these trailers and no issue with these doors. But it gives you a very open concept in your garage. Let's go inside the garage and show you the features inside. It gives you the ability to get in the garage and the patio 2 ways. I could walk to the patio system from the back if I want to, because the patio system has a door to the outside. But I could walk also, if I close this one, I could still utilize the room by walking through this door to my garage. As you notice outside, one of the major features, they give you the backup camera. Other brand, they do not. They give you also the floodlight, nice patio system, screen wall, as you see here, to eliminate the bugs and the dirt. I love that piece of metal curve with it, the word Wolf Pack with a blue LED light. Speakers inside, speakers outside, so you could turn a party here. You have a nice big TVs. So the total speaker this unit has 4 in the garage and 2 outside. You have a big smart TV, so you're sitting here with your family, watching a game or watching a movie, whatever you want to do. But a lot of people, they put their games if they go for racing. Then you have over here is a working bench. Now, the reason why working bench, believe me, I sold this unit one time to the law enforcement agency. and they use this garage as a command center. And what they like about it is they have a nice shelf with a plug for 110 for their laptops, for their equipments, USB plugs. If they need a drink, they get thirsty while they're doing their work, protecting our country. They have place for their waters, sodas. If it get cold and chill, they have a nice fireplace underneath, and this produce heat. And also, again, if you're not gonna use this shelf for your kids doing homework or any reason, you could close it down, and those chairs I could utilize them inside. So this is the fireplace. Also, it gives you a nice sink, so you're coming outside from racing or whatever you do outside, the kids, their hand is dirty, I could rinse them right here. So I have a hot and cold faucet right here with a sink. So I give them a lot of options. This garage, this particular unit, for the price we sell it for $56.99, I have a lot of people, they just buy it for, not for toys. They use it as a bunk room for the kids. Dog shows. Probably you guys, you saw on TikTok, I had a lady, she put this door and used a nice tunnel for her cat. And she left her cat playing here. It's amazing. There's too many things you do in this space of area. As well, they give you the bedding. So you see a nice loft bed here, and you could sleep easy, big adults here, or you could use it as a storage. Again, it's an option. Whatever you want to do, you could do it. There's so much you could do in this unit. Let me put the shelf up. So you have the concept, and you put the 2 chair. Voila. And now you have a full bench, and those shades the window. If you I want to just show you how you do is this window, you snap them and they are full windows. You want to put them back, very simple. You snap it, done. Another advantage for you, they asked me, what is this black square here? This is what's the Bluetooth for the speakers. This is the speakers inside, outside. It's a smart device. You go to your iPhone, you download that QR code on your phone, and now you have access to this, and now you could listen to your music through all these speakers. Now, they give you another backup camera prep, and I could put a front camera here. Why? Because some gentlemen, they have an expensive toy, and when they drag their toy, or sorry, I use the word drag, when they drive their toy inside and they strap it, while they're driving, they want to see their toy if something happened to it, if it's moved, shifted, and that kind. So I could add a camera. That's a nice feature. 15-foot garage. Guys, width-wise, no issue for your 4-seaters. No issue for your 4-seater. From here, this wall to wall, I could drive easy, a nice 14-foot, 14 and a half, 13 and a half, 4-seaters. Height, no worries from the height. So with height, I could easily put my 4-seater here, no question asked. Dirt bike, quads, and name it. Let's walk inside. As you notice, as soon you walk in, you have a nice high countertop. And this is simple things. What I really like about the Wolfpack, the extra things they did here. They raise it up, they give you more space. Now, those 2 chairs where I'm sitting, if the cameraman show you those 2 chairs, those are the same chairs I use them in the bench in the back. So if you're gonna use the bench in the garage, okay, leave the chair here. It's not in your way. There's plenty of room to walk around it. And use them here, and use this counter space to feed the kids or to feed somebody. Put some plate, eat. And the nice thing, you eat and you're watching the TV, facing the smart TV. So this is another advantage, what I really like about the Wolfpack 350 Now, coming to the kitchen, I love that LED lights underneath, hangers, like the modern house, you put cooking pans, plenty storage in the top. And they give you a fantastic fan with the rain sensor. So if you're cooking with your bacon or something, it has the smell or spices, you could turn that fan and that will suck the smell outside. They give you air fryer. This is the pure air fryers, like the Ninja air fryers, and microwave, and a convection microwave. So convection microwave and air fryers all in one. Country sink, as you see, with place to put your plate, cutting the board, cup prints, high-rise faucet, prepping area on the left and the right of the sink. Also, you have a plug for your appliances such as coffee maker, toasters, and so on. They give you a place for trash can. So there's a place for your trash can, so don't worry. And then you have a place for your utensils. As you see, they give you even the bracket for the outside TV. It's right here, the bracket. They even give it to you. They give you everything. And then also more storage for cooking pans. And you have the 10.87 cubic 12 volt refrigerators. 12 volt. And then the lady is gonna say, now, yeah, beautiful kitchen, beautiful closet, you give me good sink, good this, where's my pantry? Wait a minute. They give you hidden pantry, voila. So they don't cut any corners, they give you everything. They give you even a hanger here for towels or like brooms or certain things you could put here. But you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big shelf. Canned food, cereals, flour, sugar, salt, you name it. I don't know what to put it inside. There's plenty shelf to put in here. And easy access to your kitchen. And also it's hidden. And you're still getting the nice smart TV with the fireplace and mantle. I love this mantle. And this is amazing theater seating. Those is the same theater seating when you go see the big fancy house. The one has a theater room. That's the exact same. I mean, they're comfy. They fill you up. They hold you good. They have light, vibrators, and oh man, they're so good. I could watch the game. I have my drink. I'm in heaven. What else I need? I don't need nothing else. And then you have a place for your remote controls, additional cup holders is in here. And going over here, the dinette is a solid table. But I love the doors of the Wolfpack. Look how big. You can fill them up with waters, all kind of food. All kind of food you could put in. And the beauty about it, even if I'm sitting in the dinette, even if I'm sitting on the 2 bar stools, even I'm sitting on the 2 recliner theater seating, all the family could watch the TV where they are sitting. So I don't have to do any maneuvers of the TV. As you see, it's very accessible and the pantry is hidden. And if the lady in the kitchen fixing food for the kids, she's not on the way and everybody enjoying that unit. That's what I like about this is floor plan we cannot keep in stock because everybody coming in when they see the endless list what they're gonna do with that floor plan, they buying it. And again, $56.99. Everybody wants 70s, 68, 69, 70. At Best RV 56 at Toy Hauler with the fuel station and all these features for 56, you better come and grab it. Now, people they ask me, what's this here in the top? Remember, they're smart. Other manufacturer, they block this wall and they make it one-piece wall and you don't see nothing. But what they did, if you give me a second, I'm gonna grab the ladder from the garage, bring it in, and close this door. And now, voila, I could access my loft bed from inside. And I love this barn door. You see, it's a barn door. It's accessible. So this bed, if a kid's laying down here, he could watch the TV. And people are like, Niall, you're serious? Yeah, look, you lay down here, I could see the TV. And this loft bed, kids love it because they have access inside, outside. They could have access to the garage, and they could have access to the living area. They want a privacy, you don't want to disturb them, use the pocket door. You want to seal the pocket door, it's very simple. Just put this snap on it, yeah, voila. And this door will not slit, and it's locked. As you see, locked. So this is the beauty about the 350PACK is the loft is accessible from inside of the living area as well outside in the garage. Let's go see the beautiful bedroom. Nice shelf. You guys, I count over 12 hanger for you. 1, 2, I mean 4 here, 4 there, that's 8, and 4 behind the pantry. There's 8, 12. It's amazing. Coming in. Nice controllers. You could see the voltage of your solar panel, all the light switches. This is the 2 awning, the slide out. This is the fantastic fan, USB 110, everything is right there. Let's go to the bedroom, easy to get in. And voila, I have a beautiful RV king bed. This is a king, not a queen. This is the second AC for the bedroom. This is a third TV I could put here. Again, there's support. I could put 32-inch TV, no question asked. There's all the plugs, 110 or... But what I really like, it's what's underneath the bed. This. So during the daytime, I could keep the bed up. Okay, and by the way, this is the screen door. When you settle, you could put it in we just lifted it here. But if I could raise this bed all the time up, now look how beautiful this room. I could use it change room. I could use it place where I sit to do my shoes, bunch of bins, as you see, socks, underwears. Or I don't have to lift the bed and just keep it for storage. That's another advantage for you. So all this is the storage for you. Going over here, they give you a full closet, hanging closet, and it's deep. I mean, a lot of clothes you could put here. Extra shelf as you see here. And then you have let me put this back so you could see. And all the front is the closets. And then there's a shelf for your breathing machines, CPAP machines, USB plug on both sides, books, water. I love the concept. I want to raise this one. I know it's a bright, but I want to show you the concept of big window. Wolfpack is very well known by giving you what's called view window, I call them, which is bigger, so you have more room and more place to see. Now, if we're gonna go to the bathroom, we have a beautiful bathroom, fantastic fan, again with the controllers, not a cheapy fan, big one. Solid medicine cabinet, sink with the prep area, or place to put your hair dryers, makeup, so on, and more storage for you could put a trash can here, or toilet paper here, hanger. Very roomy for the toilet, no issue. You could put even bigger one if you want to. But look how it's so easy to get in showers, very roomy, very big, and nice barn door. I'll show you, it's very, I can feel I'm in the farm. Nice, beautiful farm door. So this is the 350 pack. Now, 350PACK15, let me emphasize. 35 feet fifth wheel, toy haulers, with a garage and a 15-foot. Come to Best RV and grab this deal on a brand new 2026 Wolfpack 350. Coming in.